The notion of eyelash extensions is popular as a way to accentuate your eyes, and a well-established eyelash provider in New Jersey shares aftercare tips to ensure that your extensions are healthy and last longer. A clean lash should be cleaned at least twice per day using a quality cleanser, and wet lashes should be dried thoroughly. Thus, infections can be prevented and extensions can last longer as a result. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey, offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click the description link for details on the story. Subscribe for top stories.